So I'm here. Well, it says Wyndham Grand, but it's also Club Wyndham, Clearwater Beach. I'm going to take you on a tour right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and before we get started, taking you on a property resort tour here of Club Wyndham, Clearwater Beach. I want to let you know on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And hey, even if you don't happen to own timeshare, but you love staying at these beautiful timeshare resort properties, I also do villa tours, resort reviews, and resort tours as well. So be sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button down below, and also click on that notification bell and select all, and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's get going. We're going to take you on a resort tour here. Pretty small property, but there is lots to see here in Clearwater Beach. Okay, so I do have a map here, but we're probably not really going to need this. It's a pretty small property, and I'll be able to point things out to you as we go. So let's head on in. Okay, so here we are, the main entrance. This is the main roadway that you're most likely to come in on. You're going to pull in here. There's really no need to go up there at all if you're here on a timeshare resort stay with Club Wyndham. Just keep going down the street here, turn right at the very next road, and then kind of the second entrance, it will say the Wyndham resident parking. Pull in there. You'll have to jump out of your car. There is a small call box. Press the call button and they will let you into the parking garage. So that's how you get in here. Now obviously if you're coming in on an Uber or a Lyft, they will pull through that small gap of cones there just up to the main entrance to head in and check in. So let's head up there and start walking through the property. We are heading inside here. We'll head into the lobby up there and take a look in there before we check out some other areas of the property. So here's the lobby. Hey, good morning, how are you? They have a small gift shop here, open from 8 until 10. Some restrooms. They do have the elevators up to the Club Wyndham Suites. We're going to head in here and just take a quick look at the parking lot, which really isn't anything too spectacular, but this is, if you're driving, where you'll come up through here and come and park. So this is great, has indoor parking. We'll head back into the lobby and we'll head up to the 4th floor. There's a couple things up there we'll just take a quick look at. Okay, so we're here on the 4th floor. There is the sales gallery. We'll actually be checking that out later on, and I might just do a video about that, our first Club Wyndham timeshare presentation. But the one thing I wanted to show you here is the owner's lounge. They do have a set of restrooms up here too, but there is an owner's lounge here. It is locked. I'm not an owner, but hey, let's go in and check it out anyway. I was up here the other night and pretty empty in here. They have a monstrosity of a television here. That's pretty cool. And there's something here you can practice your putting if you can stand it in here. And I say this because like the air conditioning is obviously broken in here. It is extremely hot. Extremely hot. They have this thing over here. It's like, I don't know, it's supposed to be a fan, but it is not doing absolutely anything. They do have, looks like a small kind of Nintendo classic game system here. And yeah, so just a small overheated owner's lounge. This has to be an embarrassment to send owners here to sit in the heat. There's, I don't get it. Anyway, let's go back out here and take a look at a couple other things. outside here is the sales gallery. As best as I can tell, that's in there. And they have this nice patio, some nice seating areas up here to come and relax in, and a pretty good view of the pool down here below me. As you see, it's early in the morning, so there's not a lot of people out here yet. And then you also have some nice views out to the beach. And this would probably even be a fairly good place to come and watch the sunset. So that is something pretty cool. Now, I do want to point out, this is a shared property. This is both Club Wyndham and a Wyndham hotel. So you have the tower over here is the Club Wyndham suites. So if you're staying here on a Club Wyndham reservation, this is where you would be. And if you're here on a Wyndham Grand, Wyndham Hotels reservation, they are over here in this building. And if you're looking for the gym, it's over on the hotel side. So you come up essentially to the 4th floor like it did, come out that door, walk past the sales gallery here, and through the door down there and check out the gym. There's a lot of people in there exercising. It's early in the morning. You know, people like to get their workouts in early. I'm not going to go in there and take a look at it, but that's where you would go if you're wanting to use the gym. So now that we've seen up here, we pretty much just need to check out the pool area, but I'm not going to point things out to you from up above. We'll take a walk down through there right now. All right, so before we get too far into this walking tour of Club Wyndham Clearwater Beach, are you looking to stay here and perhaps you're not a Club Wyndham owner? Well, I have a way that you can save some money and also get an extra discount on your stay. Check out Koala. Koala is a timeshare rental listing website where you can go and look at owner timeshare rental listings that you can book for considerable savings over booking direct. That is go-koala.com, and they're actually even offering an additional $50 savings by using the promo code Koala loves Jeremy at the time of booking. So once again, go-koala.com, check them out and save some money on your next stay here at Club Wyndham Clearwater Beach. Okay, we're back here to almost where we started, and just point out down here, this is again the where you pull up, pick up, drop off. The lobby for the hotel is over there, and the lobby for Club Wyndham is over there. So that's where we walked through right near the beginning. And this here is a small fountain. They do have some additional kind of nice little seating areas here, but let's keep walking through here and we'll head into that pool area that we were looking at from up above. Now, to get into the pools, you do need your key card, and it points an arrow over here. A lot of people try and scan it with the hinges, but nope, it's way over here. So you just scan your key and in you can go. Okay, so this is the main pool area. One of the first things I want to point out to you here is they have a set of restrooms over here, but let's take a look at the pool. Still early in the morning. It is a Sunday, and there's not very many people out here. It is surprising because yesterday there were a few people out here already putting towels out, you know, putting the book out, putting whatever out to save their pool chairs. Yeah, pretty small pool here for what is actually a pretty big property. I mean, look at the hotel over here. Pretty big hotel, and then you have a number of units over here in the Club Wyndham Suites Tower. So a really small hotel pool here that's a little bit disappointing. We did talk about that in our likes and dislikes video. And if that is ready when I'm posting this, you will see a link to it up above. And if it isn't ready, when it becomes ready, I will, again, you'll be able to link to it up there. We have a pretty small pool here, just not really big enough. And I kind of made the comment that it's kind of like people soup when you're looking at it because there's so many people in the small pool. But ideally, your best pool is going to be out there, and we'll take a look at that towards the end. But yeah, let's kind of take a walk over here. They do have a pool towel hut that is open during pool hours, which right now are from 8 until 10. Not sure if that's like that all the time, but that's what it is right now. Here is Docks. This is their pool bar and restaurant. Actually, pretty good food, and you can get all kinds of drinks here as well. They do have bucket drinks here, and all kinds of drinks, beer, wine, any kind of well drink or mixed drink you would want. But those bucket drinks, those would probably be something you might be interested in. And we asked them how much those were, and they're only $16. Pretty big bucket of booze, I guess you could say, for 16 bucks. But yeah, lots of seating here. We really didn't have too many problems getting a seat here to eat. Yeah, they have a bar over here. You can come out and sit up at the bar and enjoy a beverage here at Docks. So continuing around the pool area here, just like I said, plenty of seats, but they do fill up pretty early in the morning because they may have some removed for social distancing, but it doesn't look like they really have a lot removed. But again, pretty small pool area for what we have here. But here is a hot tub as well. So if you want to come soak in the hot tub, you can take advantage of that. And again, just another look at the pool area and pool. Now the pool looks very cloudy. I'm thinking that's probably because there's a lot of sunscreen in that pool, because there's so many people in there during the day. Again, over here, some additional seating areas. Lots of umbrellas here as well, so it's great. Plenty of shade. You can sit under these things here as well. They provide great shade from the sun. Okay, let's continue on now that we've taken a look at the pool. And just a tip here, to get out of these gates from the pool, they are locked. I see a lot of people thinking they have to scan their key or anything like that, but all you have to do is swipe your hand there in order to get out through those gates. No need for your key. Your key is only needed to get into the pool area. All right, so we just came from the pool area there. Just kind of continuing through here. This is the hotel lobby. That is where you'll find Starbucks. So if you're wanting Starbucks, you can head in there. And Ocean High restaurant is in here as well. And right outside here is a number of additional seating areas. Looks like they have some kind of fire pits here. We did not see those running, any of those fires, during our stay, but just an option maybe if you're coming during more normal times. Okay, so like I mentioned, right in here is Ocean High restaurant. It is their Asian American fusion restaurant. They do serve breakfast and dinner, I believe. So there was a number of people out eating breakfast yesterday. So just another option if you're wanting something to eat. But like I said, there's plenty of restaurants up and down the strip here. We're gonna head down this ramp. This they have ramps out both sides, and stairs of course as well. Just makes it easy, handicap accessible to come out to be able to head over to the beach. So they have a nice little promenade area here, some artwork here of dolphins, but this is definitely a hopping place during the day and during the evenings. Lots of people walking up and down through here because you have plenty of places to go down there to eat. Not so much up this way, but we'll point out when we're over at the beach what's up this way. We have a park as well as the pier, but we'll be able to maybe get a bit better look at that when we head over to the beach. Let's just take one look at the property here from the promenade area. Like I said, there's also an additional ramp down here. We came down over there, so there's one here, and like I said, several restaurants down here. There's one here called Bad Fins. There's a pizza place down there. No, we didn't eat at either of those, but there are food options here in Clearwater within walking distance of the property. So let's head down here. This is the access to the beach, the ADA route it says. So a nice ramp down here that goes across the street. Unfortunately, the beach is across the street from the hotel, but that's obviously true of pretty much most of the hotels through here because the street runs through here. Yeah, they do have a really beautiful beach here in Clearwater. I mean, who can argue with this? fantastic beach. Now they do come and set up all kinds of chairs, umbrellas, and cabanas that you can rent for the day. I believe 2 chairs and an umbrella is $30. I don't know prices on cabanas or anything else, but pretty good deal for the day for 2 chairs and an umbrella. They have beach volleyball, all kinds of stuff that you can do here. Just lounge out, lay in the sun, and relax, and just look how white that sand is. And the sand, it doesn't get super hot. That is one of the good things about the sand over here in Clearwater. Even when it's real hot out, the sand doesn't get super hot like it does sometimes on the Atlantic coast of Florida. And so the boardwalk here pretty much goes all the way down to Pier 60. So you can head down there, you can go for a walk out onto the pier. There is also a really nice park down there as well. So take advantage of that while you're here, and take advantage of the beautiful views. I'll admit they have some great views from the rooms here at Club Wyndham in Clearwater Beach, Florida. Yeah, one of Club Wyndham's premier properties in their timeshare system. Okay, so there you have it, the walking tour, resort tour of Club Wyndham Clearwater Beach here in, well, Clearwater, Florida. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos, helps the YouTube algorithm to let them know to push these videos out to more people that are maybe considering a stay here at Club Wyndham Clearwater Beach. And if you want to see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. All kinds of videos on my channel all about timeshare. And to see another video about Club Wyndham Clearwater Beach, check out this one right up here, and YouTube. They think you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.